Hello everyone, we will edit this image, make a selection of the image here, use the different filters. I will go to the filter gallery and find an option there to edit this shape, try to make the changes there, add the designs, explore it, add some details, bushes as well. So let's make the sketch of the lady in a way I will make it and then deselect there. So we will choose a paint around it to change the atmosphere.